mindig más jelentősége.
A sacred object always has a different meaning. It's a spiritual process. When making a particular object, say a relic, one reads the story of the saint a little, and inevitably he or she meditates on it while making the object for the saint.
Neki a tárgy.
Kata Lenszér-Mezei is the artist who created the monstrance for the Budapest International Eucharistic Congress.
A budai ötvös műhely.
Now we are in my goldsmith's workshop in Buda, where I usually make jewelry and other small objects.
Nagyobb tárgyakat. Műhely.
It's a perfect workshop, getting better equipped each year, and it's also very enjoyable to work here. I have been working in this industry for a little over 10 years. I completed a jewelry design course in Milan in 2009 and a goldsmith course here in Budapest in 2010.
In 2018, the Eucharistic Congress organized the competition for the design and production of the monstrance to be used as a central piece across the Eucharistic Congress, which Kata decided to enter.
I looked and searched for inspiration, of course, but the truth is that there are very few contemporary ecclesiastical works of art, especially on this scale.
Having previously worked as an architect for 15 years, for Kata, this was invaluable now that she had to design and build the monstrance.
As a goldsmith, I hadn't worked with other workshops or subcontractors before, so the hardest part was coordinating these different workshops who could help me with the kind of work I can't do. For example, I worked with a locksmith workshop and a glass workshop.
Her design develops upwards from the pedestal to the sacrament, making it the focal point.
It took more than a semester to make the process, and my materials were stainless steel with gold-plated copper inserts and glass accessories. And this holder itself, the monstrance, is made out of silver and gilded silver with a halo around it.
With the unanimous decision of the jury, Kata's design was announced as the winner, and this week the monstrance is at the center of the Eucharistic Congress, holding and protecting the very thing this whole Congress is about, the Holy Eucharist.
Well, it's a great honor, and of course I'm very happy about it, and I'm excited about the Pope's visit.
In Budapest, Colm Flynn, EWTN News.